What makes you sad?
Chickens. They remind me of pickles.
And why is this?
Ma'am, my name is Dorothy. I've been wandering this road for miles and miles. Me and my dog Doto. We're running away from that terrible wizard out there riding on her sweeper. It's coming a terrible hurricane out there. And those chickens sure like pickles. And how does that make you feel? How does this make you feel? Like a lost puppy in the desert without grape juice. What? I imagined a spider. Unknowing is the key to fear, and fear leads to anger. Are you angry? Well, it appears that you are. And how does that make you feel? Hungry. Very hungry. Of a spider.
One of us then roll with us, 'cause we make the monsters fall in love when we got
What?
can't dance.
Just go. Doesn't matter.
We run in this town just like a club.
I can't dance either.
Got Jesus on my neck.
No, it's really gonna work. Just go. Come on. Just go. I can't. I can do this, but that looks weird. I'm doing it anyways. That is an epic fit.
We're tearing it apart. We'll be forever young. You know we're superstars. We are who we are. DJ, turn it up. It's about damn time to.
That worked.
I'm so serious, so serious.
Oops.
It's making my brain delirious. I'm just talking truth. I'm only doing the shit we do.
That worked.
Our bodies going on.
Ow.
We'll be forever young. You know we're superstars. We are who we are. DJ, turn it up.
Okay. Oh. I'm not ready.
Okay.
Tyler. Hello. Hi. Wait, hold on. No, Olivia, no, please.
Give it to me.
No.
Give it.
No!
Tyler, we are in the middle of making a video. We will call back later.
No!
And
no,
answer.
No!
Answer.
No!
Answer
no,
then, okay?
No! Give me my phone!
Okay, bye. poop, your thing's about to die.
I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate it. I hate it.
Oh my gosh. What? You won't stop taping me.
Tilla, you're dumb.
To what me? Slap.
Oh.
Mm.